Hi there, welcome to Huson DIY. My name is Ben. In this video we're going to unbox and take a look at this, the UniLite PL-3. Okay, welcome to the channel if you've not been here before. My name is Ben. As I mentioned in the quick intro there, we're going to look at this. This is a UniLite PL-3. So I've been wanting an inspection light, mainly for doing things in the loft, under the ground, under the floor in the house, and just any other emergency cases. So I've been looking at the UniLite for a while now. They're a bit more expensive than other cheaper brands, but I'm hoping because we paid a little bit more, it's going to be good quality. Saying that though, this device was under £15. Not device, sorry. The light was under £15. So pretty reasonable price anyway. They do bigger lights, obviously, that light up bigger spaces with extra lumens. So this is a 275 lumen. So this is perfect for what I need for now. I might have other situations where I need a stronger light, but for now, I'm going to try out the UniLite. This, I guess it's one of the smaller or the smallest one they do, and see how we get on. Okay, some of the specs on here before we get started on with the unboxing. As I said, it's a 275 lumen, and it's got, if you look on the back of the box, it does explain what's going on there. So there's 3 mode settings of high, medium and low. 275 on the high, medium 100 lumens, and the low 40 lumens. What I didn't actually know before I ordered it was there's an IPX4 water resistance, which I think, I have to double check, and I will double check, but I think that is shower resistant, I think. Might be totally wrong. A meter drop resistance, which isn't that high to be fair, and a strong magnetic base. So there are a few things in there that drew my attention. Obviously the price for the lumens, which is pretty good, and other people I've seen using this have said it's really good quality, so we'll give it a go. So next up, we'll unbox it, see what comes in here, and we'll charge it up. Okay, so let's open the torch now. It comes in a nice, I like the branding. The branding's pretty cool, with the black on there with the green. So let's get this tape open. I got this off Amazon. As I say, I think I paid about £13 for it. So it was on offer at the time, but I imagine it's probably at that price, under £15 quite a lot of the time. So take a look what's inside. Slide it out, nothing else in the box. So we've got a little instruction manual, just with some specifications on there again, telling you how to use it. Inside the box we've obviously got the torch, and it comes with some UniLite batteries included. So it comes with some batteries, 3 batteries, so AAA batteries these are. So let me open this up. There is a little tab on there by the looks of it. Okay, so 3 batteries out. I'm going to unscrew the bottom as it says in the instructions. Try again. I already have it switched on. And then unscrew that. Rescrew that shut. So there we go. Simple as that. So the batteries are in. It's got a little clip on the back actually as well there, which is handy, just inside your pocket, your work pants or on your shirt. So that's it, unboxed, nothing else in there. Good that it comes with batteries. I was caught out a little because I did think it was rechargeable, but that's because I've been looking at the other UniLite torches and lights which are USB rechargeable. Okay, so that's it unboxed now. As I mentioned just then, I was caught out that it wasn't USB rechargeable, which isn't a problem. It wasn't the reason why I bought it. That would just be nice to have. The other UniLite torches and lights do have them. They're rechargeable. But that's not a problem. So what we'll do now is I'm going to go up into the loft space and try and film this the best I can in the loft space. Just see how well it lights up the loft space compared to using my phone torch, which I usually do. So we'll go up to there now and do that now. Okay, so here we go. So just to show you, that's my loft space up there. There's a light up there, but it's currently broken, which needs to be fixed. So we will be in total blackness. I've got a couple of safety lights up there that do come on, just some battery operated ones, motion sensor ones, which will come on, but we'll hide them or turn them over so they're not creating a light. So I'll get up there now and get myself positioned. Okay, we're up in the loft now. It's dark, pitch black more or less. I'm just lighting my face up with my own phone torch at the minute because the UniLite were too bright. So I'll switch this round and we'll do a bit of a test with both lights. Okay, so we're looking into darkness now, into the loft. I'm going to switch my phone torch on now. So you can see, or not see, it kind of lights up within a couple of meters. I can kind of see right into the back of the loft. So that's with my phone. That's a Samsung Galaxy Fold phone. So we'll pause it there and switch over to the UniLite. Okay, so I've got the UniLite ready. I'm going to switch that on now. Okay, so you can see how much brighter that is. It can see kind of right to that back wall with that UniLite. Do it over there as well. See the difference there. Okay, just another quick test. This time in his bedroom. So we'll do it with the phone and then with the UniLite. So I'll switch off the light in a second. Okay, lights off. That's with my phone torch on. You can't really tell on camera. You can see it a bit better than that, but it looks terrible. So I'll switch over to the UniLite now. Okay, UniLite ready. 3, 2, 1. Massive difference. The phone torch wasn't even doing anything. So that's pretty good. Okay, back in the office from our little experiment there. As you can tell, the PL-3 light, really bright, much brighter than a phone torch. I use most of the time to try and view things. The phone compared to this is not comparable, to be honest with you. So really good value for under 15 quid for the light you can get out of it, just being battery powered as well. So really impressed with the strength of them 275 Lumen. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Just a quick unboxing and quick review of the PL-3 from UniLite. So hopefully, if you're looking at getting a similar light or the same light, or looking at the UniLite range, it was a useful video for you. If it was, give it a thumbs up, give it a like. If it wasn't, give it a dislike. If you want to see more videos like this, other DIY videos, hit that subscribe button, follow Huson DIY, and we'll see you in the next one.